Here is a crazy but true story. Doctors use checklists for everything before every surgery. And if that blows your mind, it blew mine, because I tend to think of doctors as like real experts at the top of their game. And in my mind, I think, what do they need a checklist for? Like, they've done a million surgeries, they know what they're doing, but not so fast, my friend. It turns out without checklists, doctors were making a lot of errors. And it's because the more they did a surgery, the more they kept thinking to themselves, I already know all the steps. Unfortunately, they were wrong, and they were so confident about the knowledge that they thought they knew, they were actually missing critical steps, which led to more errors in surgery. So what a lot of hospitals around the US at least ended up doing was creating checklists. It is now mandatory that a lot of doctors and hospitals go through a checklist before each surgery to make sure that everything is going as planned. So if checklists are good enough for doctors who are at the top of their game, checklists are absolutely necessary for you and I as virtual assistants. There are a couple of reasons why I think checklists are actually so amazing. One, they really help with decision fatigue. So there are times when you're going to be working with so many clients, or you have so many things to do either in your work life or your personal life, that you are just overloaded, your brain is tired. You might forget to do a certain step, either when you're booking travel or booking somebody an appointment somewhere. It happens, but mistakes are often made when our brains are tired and overloaded. So a checklist can actually help ensure that you're on the right track, you've not skipped any steps, there's no embarrassing questions or phone calls when you have to inevitably go back to your client and say, I forgot to ask what day you said you want to fly, or what airline you wanted to go on. I've got some links below. I've got a checklist to appointment making and travel booking and purchases. So 3 simple checklists for you. Go ahead and download those. Make sure that you're using them every time you have a purchase to make or you're booking somebody's travel. Hopefully it will help cut down any errors on your end. Hopefully you'll have to do a lot less thinking, and you can save that brain power for more important tasks as they come in throughout the day. But don't forget, if it's good enough for a doctor, it's good enough for you and me as a VA. That's all I got for you. It was a real quick video this week, but hopefully it was an actionable and helpful tip. And as always, check out the channel. I talk about more money, less burnout. So I'm all about more money through specialization and keeping that brain moving and grooving for more important things. Okay, cool. See you guys on the next video.